Check out this street rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1939 Oldsmobile Series 60 two-door sedan, street rodded. This one is all steel, as you can see, chopped top. That classic street rod look. 350 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes. Go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, grille, bright work, some custom pinstriping, and then a ghost flame on top of that. Very subtle, nice looking ghost flame. Not overdone. Comes down over the fenders. You can see that, just that classic look. Now, there is a little bit of a dinger underneath this fender right here. Kind of tough to see when you're at a just normal angle looking down at it. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this thing top to bottom, inside and out, every angle, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us, 507-386-1726. 17-inch Boss wheels in the front, 18-inch in the rear. Cloth interior, bucket seats, tilt column, Alpine stereo system. We'll get around to the driver's side, open it up, take a little closer look at the interior. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This is vinyl. We don't like the looks of that on there. It'll come right off. A little bit of a heat gun. Just let us know. We can actually do it in the shop before it's shipped out. And again, look at all the still pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Be able to see underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. We do have a spot that was filled in back here. I don't know if there was anything Frenched in there, antenna or something, but we do have a spot that was filled in. Well, his paint shows pretty well in this one. There's a few blemishes here and there. Car's been driven. Should be a fun one to get out, take down the road, take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Just look at the stance of this thing with that chopped top. All right, let's take a peek at this interior. Again, all steel. Power windows. And of course, you see the tinted glass both sides. So know your local and state laws there and your percentage of window tint. Just in case. Your bucket seats. Got a nice red piping, two-tone gray cloth, really accents the exterior of the car. Also some red buttons, and then red and gray two-tone on the inside too. Nice look. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. I have had the stereo working. A little aftermarket pod of gauges underneath it. Starts easily. There's your gauges. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure, voltmeter, and yes, stereo is working. All right, a little aftermarket tack on the steering column. An idea how it sounds, good sounding car. Hood release is down in the driver's kick panel. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Door closes nicely. Nothing over the top. Just a nice rumble coming out of that 350. Good looking pinstriping on this car too, around the original Oldsmobile bright work. Okay, let me pause this a second. Pop the hood. Check out this engine bay. Hood popped. 350 V8 Edelbrock carb. Electric fan, power steering, power brakes, smooth running, good sounding engine. Looks like a new alternator. Battery shut off. Sounds good, nice red highlights, the polish, valve covers. Cool look, fun one to take in your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. 1939 Oldsmobile Series 60 two-door sedan, street routed up, chopped. good look, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1939 Oldsmobile Series 60 two-door sedan. And as you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry today, so we're able to do some driving videos for you. This is a fun little street route. The speedometer seems to be close to accurate. Under the radio we have a temp gauge at 190, oil pressure at 35, and volts at 14. Radio works good. This car is not fitted with windshield wipers. I can hear the blinker working. I don't see indicators, but I hear them working. Sounds really good. Really good idling, really good running. It's easy to drive. Really good power steering. You get a little wind noise, but it's only about 30 degrees here in Minnesota. It's a good riding car. We have an aftermarket tachometer on the column. Tachometer reads 2,000 RPM at about 55. Fun car. GoPro, stop capturing.